Hi, my name is A-Square and I'm a photographer. You know what? In this week's video, we're going to do something a little bit different. We are going to apply my own tips. Yeah, the one from the video I posted last week. So we are going to photograph an athlete with the available light. We're going to improvise. We're going to have fun. Let's go. So yeah, this photo shoot happened a few weeks back in the south of France in Montpellier. I wish we had the choice of the time for this session, but unfortunately the athlete, that's a hard word to say. But unfortunately the athlete was only available around 10:30 a.m. So I had to say goodbye to this beautiful light that I had. I think it was around 6:30 a.m. that day. But you know this, dude, there is no fun on an easy shoot, so we had to work fast because starting at 10:30 a.m., we gradually have a harsher, harder light to work with. And I won't even talk about the direction of the light because as we get closer to 12 a.m., the sun basically will be too high. And on this one, I'm all alone. No strobes, no flash, no assistance, and several outfits to shoot. So I will apply most of the things that we discussed in last week's video. If you haven't watched it already, please check it out. The link is in the description box below. I don't know why I'm laughing. Really simple things, looking at the light, looking at the shadows, that will help you compose and stage your shots and choose the right poses for your model. This is basically the type of situation I handle on a regular basis. Tight budgets, little to no time to shoot, several outfits, and still gotta produce a dozen shots ranging from portraits to action shots. You can be asked these kind of images for an editorial, for a blog post, an interview in that magazine. You know, your images will be used to illustrate the interview. I would love to always have assistance with me and a comfortable budget for my shoots, but yeah, reality of this business is something else, so you gotta deal with what you have. I worked again on this photo session with the GFX50s, Fujifilm of course, 3 lenses, the 23mm, the 32-64 and the 110, maybe my favorite lens of them all. The 50 megapixels here is not a luxury because I've been facing a lot of situations recently, clients that crop the hell out of my pictures that want full body shots and then they're like, okay, we're gonna use it, but wholly as a headshot, which is completely crazy. Here we got plenty of room to play with, which is really great. Our athlete here has a little shooting experience, but I still had to give her a few directions. How to place her head or body according to shadows and the direction of the lights. Often asking her to move to see what type of shadows I had on her face and on her body. And as the sun was rising, I asked her a few times to slightly raise her chin or to have her eyes closed. Ouais, les jambes c'est bien là. Inversé. Je vais faire la même, plus serré. This is a first because I had to deliver quickly. I made all the edits inside Lightroom. I didn't need to do much anyway, so Lightroom is powerful enough for this type of edits. Sometimes I tell myself I give you guys too much information about the way I work. Just kidding. I know some of you guys have been requesting recently more videos about the way I use strobes. These are coming, and I've also received a few messages about future videos on Photoshop. They are coming too. Like, share, subscribe, and buy me a pony. Join me on Instagram if you want to know what I'm currently working on. Are you guys watching IGTV? No? All the settings and HD pictures are on my blog, like every week. You guys are the best. Thank you for your never-ending support. I guess I will see you guys in the next video. But until then, please have a good one.